A VPN, or virtual private network, encrypts your internet connection and routes it through a secure server. This helps protect your privacy and can allow blocked websites to load normally, even on restricted networks. For this tutorial, I'll show you how to do this using NordVPN, one of the most trusted VPNs available today. You can check the link in the description to try NordVPN at a discounted price. To get started, open your phone and go to the Google Play Store. In the search bar at the top, type in NordVPN. The first result should be the official NordVPN app titled NordVPN, Fast VPN App for Privacy and Security. You'll know it's the correct app when you see that it has a rating of over 4.6, more than 800,000 reviews, and over 50 million downloads. This shows just how widely used and trusted NordVPN is. It's not only available for PC and Mac, but also for iPhone, Android, and even some gaming consoles. Once you've downloaded the app, open it. When the app launches, the first thing you'll see is a world map. You can zoom in and out using pinch gestures similar to other map apps. The icons on the map represent the various countries where NordVPN has a presence. These icons indicate countries, not individual servers. Within each country, there are multiple regions, and within those regions, there are several servers. This layered structure offers a lot of options. Tapping the Quick Connect button will connect you to the most optimal server for your location and connection. You can also tap any of the country icons on the map to connect to the best available server in that country. When you first attempt to connect, you'll be prompted to approve NordVPN as your phone's VPN service. Simply confirm the prompt. After connecting to a country, if you tap on it again, you'll get a detailed list of all the regions available within that country. Swiping up reveals the full list along with the number of servers in each region. This is especially helpful if you're trying to bypass regional restrictions on streaming platforms or want to connect to a specific destination. Once connected, open Chrome or your preferred browser on your Android device and visit the website that was previously blocked. In most cases, it should now load normally. If it doesn't, try switching servers or refreshing the page. Remember to use this responsibly. Do not access illegal or inappropriate content, and always respect the rules of the network you're using. A VPN should be used for privacy, security, and legitimate access, not to bypass rules for harmful purposes. So that's how you can access blocked websites on an Android smartphone or device safely and legally. Protect your privacy, stay secure on public networks, and always follow the rules. And if you want to try NordVPN for yourself, I've included a link in the description with a limited time discount. It also comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee, so there's no risk in trying it out. If you're watching this on a TV or iPad, you can also scan the QR code on screen to get started